In today's video, I'll show you how to use CapCut interface timeline and other features. Open CapCut and explore interface. You can access the project menu to view manage your projects. You can customize settings and preferences. Here you can adjust language settings if needed. Click on New Project to start a new project, and you can name it accordingly. Adjust layout of software for optimal viewing. Click on Import to import media files such as video and images. You can add music, sound effects, you can add text, animated text, captions, and custom captions to video. Here you can access animated emoji and stickers to enhance your video. Apply various effects to video. In transition, you can choose from variety of transition to smooth your video. Apply filters to adjust color and mood of your video. Make adjustments such as adding adjustment layer and importing custom LUTs. Review and playback your edited video. Utilize selection and split tools for editing. You can manipulate video, perform voiceover directly within the software. You can access shortcut option for faster workflow. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize CapCut software for editing needs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.